Here are the steps for Relearn procedure of Blaupunkt TPMS TY1.0 and TPMS HN 1.0. There are only two buttons on the TPMS display. OK button on the left, setting button on the right. Let's start to relearn by press and hold on to the setting button for approximately 5 seconds to enter the setting interface. Continue with P1 setting by pressing once on OK button. Then press on setting button to switch between sensor locations. We will pair the second sensor, which is located on front right. Press on OK button to relearn. The TPMS is searching for the sensor signal. For external sensors, disassemble and reinstall the sensor. For internal sensor, release the air from the tire continuously for about 8 seconds. When the sensor ID is displayed, the beep sound indicates successful sensor pairing. Then, it will continue to next tire. Press and hold on to the setting button to exit sensor pairing. You may manually select the desired position for pairing by pressing the setting button. Press and hold on to the setting button to return to the setting interface. Press and hold on to the setting button again to return to the main page. Relearn procedure is complete. You have successfully paired the sensor on your tires. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.